This is my dude chill. Is this one actually better? Hey beautiful people, welcome back to another video. So today we are doing our first video of unboxing an item. So guys, we are not actually unboxing because due to COVID I just like toss all the boxes out and just take out the products that's inside and then sanitize the inside of the products. So it's not actually your usual unboxing. My ring light, well, backstory is that my ring light that I was using for all my videos just started packing up. It like started giving up, the outer covering and everything just started like falling apart and everything. It was like getting so sad to use, but like I decided to fix it. I am an electrical engineer, so I decided to fix it. I was fixing it and it started working perfect, but just like the outer covering of the light was like irritating me. I had a really bad experience with Takealot. I phoned Takealot and I told them to come and pick up my ring light because I wanted to, you know, return it and stuff like that. And then what happened was like every single day they would be like, we're going to pick this up, we're going to pick up your item so and so before 5 o'clock. When it comes to like 3:30, 4 o'clock, they're like, we reschedule for the next day. Then when it comes to that time like of the day, we rescheduled again. This went on for like 2 to 3 weeks. When the van came that day to pick it up, I was like, I already reopened my ring light and started using it again because like I needed to film. And when they came, this is like a story time video. When they came to pick the ring light up, I was like, you know what, no, I'm not gonna go and box this thing up all over again and thereafter give it to them and then wait. I was like, no, I'm not gonna wait another like 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Like, how am I gonna do videos? How am I gonna upload on a regular basis? I'm like doing like almost 3 videos a day. So long story short, my boyfriend decided to get me another one. It is, well, this is what it has. Now the one I'm using, it's like a little bit similar to that one. So it's the ring light and it comes with like a whole bunch of settings. This is from Takealot, mind you. This thing is straight. Like, you're gonna put this over here and like just screw this on. Yeah, so that was my story with Takealot. So yeah, this is the stand ring light. I do not have a little stand ring light, so he decided to get me a little stand ring light. It's really cute. I just want to see the level of warmth on it. Like the one that I'm using now has 3 levels. I'll show you guys the one that I'm using right now. This one has I think it's, no, so this is the yellow light, this is the white light, this is like the light that I was using. So this is my dude chill. So yeah, this is the thing. It got these fancy legs. It did not come with anything for the USB port, so I've got my charging pin here and I'm just gonna connect this quickly. So let's test this one out. Ooh, this is nice light. How's this, guys? Like, is this one actually better? Yeah, it is. It's actually better. Okay, so it's got a, oh, you can dim it. Ooh, fancy much. And then I can make it so bright. This is a yellow. It's like much more yellow than the other one. This is like the yellow white light. Like, it's actually really nice. Yeah, it's actually really nice. Like, I like it. Yeah, so this is what it actually looks like. Put on the price and the link will be definitely in the description box. So for all you guys who have Takealot, go and check this out. And by the way guys, if you have not seen yesterday's video, I repeat, in today's video I am doing a Takealot giveaway voucher. I will be using this ring light from now onwards, so if you guys see my videos from today onwards, from this video onwards, this ring light will be used, so you guys can see whether it's better than the other one or not. So yeah, that's it for me, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I will be back with another unboxing video. I'm out.